Hello trader, hope that you had an enjoyable day. So it is almost end of the week and we can see that gold after multiple manipulation after a very strong liquidity grab from this support level, the market now started to bounce to the upside. So I'll be doing a complete multi-time frame analysis as we are running a trade on gold. Let's see which way the market is heading at the moment. So first of all, let's look at the daily chart to see overall picture in the market. Now, looking at the daily chart, if you look at the daily today's candle so far after yesterday's red candle, the price has tested this support and we have seen initially has gone to the upside, created a series of lower high, and gold, you can see in this zone this whole week was in a very narrow consolidation, and there is a triangular pattern has formed, and we have seen this pattern basically gathering liquidity from the support, which is a sign that gold might be ultimately breaking to the upside. As it is a bull market, the bias could be to the upside. Now this is the daily candle. If we look at previous daily candle has broken this daily low, and then we have seen that long week candle has formed, and so far today the market has tested the low, tested the high, and currently the price is trying to bounce back to the upside. And as the market already has broken the series of higher low in the support level, still didn't break this series of lower high at the resistance. And as this is the weekend, what I think that the price will try to go back up to break this weekly resistance. So if we look at the weekly chart, this is the weekly candle and this is the weekly opening and closing, which is the weekly resistance. And I think that we might see in the last session, in this New York session, we might see gold will try to break that weekly high and it might form a weekly doji, or we could see a bounce from this level from the weekly. Now looking at the intraday time frame, from the lower time frame, we can see that 4 hour, where this is the candle closing in 20 minutes from this time of recording, and we saw that after this huge bearish candle that has broken this support level, which is quite significant, also the liquidity zone. And this session also we have seen that gold has come down here, has got a rejection. I think that that's a very strong bullish pressure on gold, and as the market is gathering liquidity from here, putting pressure on the from the support level, we could see that gold will try to break this series of higher low that we lower high we saw on the daily time frame. So looking at the 1 hour and lower time frame, we can see this is the 1 hour chart where gold has got a rejection from the support level. Currently the price is bouncing to the upside, expecting it to go ahead and test this level at least. So looking at the 15-minute chart, and we can see that here the price has formed, there was quite a few long week candles in that area. Now currently we are running a trade by trade from here, which is still running in a good profit, and we'll be waiting for further entry. As in the last session, we might see potential bounce, as this is the daily resistance, expecting it to go at least 2172 level in the first move, and this is our first TP in that area. So if we look at the 5-minute chart, as you can see, the market forming a potential reversal pattern here, a bounce, expecting it to move back to the upside to create a new higher high. So as we are running a trade, if any drop again in that zone, if we see a long week especially candle created on the lower time frame, I will be looking to enter buy again on gold, adding another position with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you enjoy this free analysis, guys and girls, give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.